Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Niro EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.